Chairman Cleveland, Chairman Hobbins, and members of the Joint Standing Committee. My name is Todd Presson, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Patriot Renewables. Patriot owns and operates 2 wind power facilities in Maine. In addition, we currently have a wind power facility in construction, another one in permitting, and we are assessing other potential wind power sites in the state. We support LD 1750 because it provides guidance for regulators and predictability to the permitting process for wind energy in Maine. The proposed changes clarify and underscore the original purpose of the Wind Energy Act, which was to reduce regulatory uncertainty in order to encourage development of appropriately sited wind energy projects. LD 1750 seeks to both ensure that regulatory decisions are based on the best available information from qualified experts and to avoid needless and costly studies. On the first point, most of us would agree we should base important regulatory decisions on the best available information from qualified experts. Energy development is complex, and it is important that developers and regulators apply the same standards when evaluating the impacts of project development. Standards
place and why experts are relied upon to review and apply those standards according to a common set of objectives and protocols. On the second point, LD 1750 seeks to reconfirm the known and well understood environmental benefits of wind power to the region. Because the Act correctly recognized these benefits, further study is not only unnecessary, it is not supported by a substantial and demonstrated need and would be a waste of regulatory resources and development capital. To be clear, LD 1750 does not seek special treatment for wind power. Rather, it provides clarifications and guidance to preserve the original intent of the Act and to avoid regulatory practices which may inadvertently undermine it. It is well known that regulatory uncertainty impedes investment and business creation. Developers and investors rely on a robust yet fair regulatory process. LD 1750 seeks to preserve that regulatory process and to preserve the potential for future wind power development in Maine. Maine continues to enjoy significant economic benefits from wind power. When constructed, Patriot's 2 near-term development projects will pay approximately $1.4 million per year in local property taxes and will generate additional tangible benefits payments to each host community. Development of each of these projects is expected to contribute over $15 million to Maine companies and to generate additional revenue for Maine businesses that serve the construction and development sectors. Clean renewable wind power has created jobs, provided needed tax revenue, and enjoys the continued support of an overwhelming majority of Mainers. LD 1750 seeks to provide the necessary clarifications to ensure that this growth can continue to fuel Maine's economic recovery. For the foregoing reasons, we respectfully request that the committee vote ought to pass on LD 1750.
Thank you, Mr. Preston. Other questions? Seeing